Excuse me. I'm having a brain freeze. I need the thingy to fill out this arrival form. A pen, ma'am.
A pen? Oh yes, oh my goodness. A pen? Sorry, long flight.
Thanks. Ooh, can I get some instant noodle with extra crispy pork skin? I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't have crispy pork skin. Okay. Then how about just a bottle of Jinsu chili sauce? I really need it. Ma'am, I'm so sorry, but we don't have that either. Oh, okay then.
哎呦我的妈！